What's up, Browns gang? It is me, your girl BROWNSMAGIC, and today I have another interesting video for you. Today we have another episode of Is It Worth the Hype? And today's product is one that literally has a cult following it. And not just normal people, not just normal everyday people, you and I, even though it is a lot of those too. It's a bunch of YouTubers out here caping for this concealer. It's time for the drum roll for the big reveal. Today's product is none other than Tart Shape Tape. It came in the mail today, so we're gonna do this today. Get it over with now, so I don't have to think about it later. Personally, I've never went out to buy anything from Tart. I've never specifically searched for Tart products. As you guys know, I have Ipsy, so sometimes I do receive stuff from Tart, but I've never went out and bought any Tart products until now. So I do think I have a couple Tarte lip glosses, not the one I'm wearing right now, okay? I know this one's popping, but it's not this one, y'all. I never went out and bought any Tarte myself. I knew it was expensive. I've seen it at Ulta, I've seen it at Sephora. I knew it was expensive. I've never went and grabbed myself any until it went on sale the other day, half off for the concealer. And I was like, everybody's talking about it anyways. I want to see what the hype's about. Now, the Tart Shape Tape retails for $26, $27, which is a price I personally never pay. It might not be that expensive to some people, like as opposed to other things. I don't know, like Laura Mercier or something. I don't know. I wouldn't know. I am not in that tax bracket. What I would usually pay for some concealer is however much it goes for on e.l.f., which I believe is like $5, and e.l.f. always has a sale. But this was half off, so I was like, I would not mind spending $13 to try out this product that everybody swears by. So let's open it up and see what we have. Beauty that works for you and beauty that's good for you. Wow, that was so inspirational, Tart. Is it the Better Than Sex mascara from Tart? Tart, break down beauty boundaries, rethink natural, and always be kind. Now, I did end up getting a couple because I didn't really know which shade was actually mine, so I wanted to get a couple. Oh no, absolutely not. I got two of the same exact ones. So that's not cool. I thought I was getting two different shades, but maybe I'm stupid. This is shade 475. As you can see, it's just a bit lighter than my cheeks. Well, that's what it looks like from the bottle. This might be Caucasian. Do I have like a color issue? Am I colorblind? If you've seen my Glossier video, you know that I got too light on the concealer and the skin tint. How do you blow it twice and then again in another video? I think I have like color issues. I don't know what my problem is. But anyways, sadly enough, this video isn't going to be as long as the other ones, you know, my 10-minute videos. Let's just dive right in. People swear by this stuff. I don't even have a sponge out. Am I doing okay? I am wearing mascara. Not bad. And I did do my eyebrows. That's the only makeup I'm wearing right now. And lip gloss. Not bad with the one layer. Whoa. That's not how I looked before, is it? And that was just one little layer. So I'm thinking I'm gonna leave just one layer on this eye, and then on this eye I'm gonna build it up a little more and see the full extent of what it can do. Like, I'm gonna go crazy on this side. All right, so let's get another layer on here. Now, mind you, this stuff was expensive. So we're treading very, very lightly. That feels really good on my skin. Just a side note, that felt like putting butter on a lobster. If you don't know what that song is, it's Rockets by Lion Babe. And if you have never heard that, I feel sorry for you. Maybe this needs to be tried with foundation Oh. Okay, it's doing something, y'all. Oh, yeah, okay. Girl. Look at how much smaller this eye looks compared to this one after that. I know you can see that. This eye looks like more wide and like more, I don't know, adult-like, and this one looks more, I'm a child. I don't know. This one looks like I slept last night. Which I did sleep last night. Hold on. I don't know which side I like better. I think my natural look looks better than, like, the just one little measly layer probably looks better than this. Let's do one more layer, just because why not? I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna do, but let's just do it. And then we can see the difference, if there is one. Okay, that's beautiful. What in the world? I don't even look like the same person. Look at this. I don't know if I'm imagining it. So you look and you tell me if there's a difference. I can see it from here. Oh, wow. That is so youthful and like so pretty. You know what? We're not doing nothing. Let's take it up here. Crude, let's take it down here. Let's see what it does for those areas. We'll start off down here. My discoloration. Okay, I didn't color correct, so it has that ashy cast. We were expecting that. But that's not that bad. We know it's buildable. So here. Put some on the mustache. Put some more on here. But we're gonna let it dry a little bit. I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing. I do. Again, we have no foundation to blend this out into. We're just doing this bare-facedly. Okay, all in all, that didn't really do that much. That didn't do as much as I thought, besides just like, I don't know. That didn't do as what I thought it would do. It brightened my face a bit. Remember, this is the eye that only has one layer. This is the eye that has like 3. I think I like what I'm seeing, honestly. Alright, let's do the mustache now. That's still coming off kind of gray, but not unbearably. That's not bad. Again, I can still kind of see the gray. Look at this side. But that's not unbearable. Look at this side. Specifically here, compared to this side. I couldn't tell you in good faith that this is doing anything more than the Glossier, for instance, concealer was doing. I feel like my eye looks really pretty though. There's no mistaking that. It looks really good. It looks really good. There's no mistaking that. There isn't. And it's a good product. There's no mistaking that. But you can get the same quality, I believe, with the Glossier one. And the Glossier one's only $18. For some reason. The Glossier one is really high coverage, and it's beautiful, and it will have you looking just like this, okay? And it's $18. That's a almost $10 difference. My verdict would have to be that this is not worth $27. Not worth $27. Is it worth the hype? Yeah, it's a good product, you know? It's a good product. It's not crazy expensive, but it's not necessarily cheap enough to, I don't know, keep buying over and over again. But it did what I wanted it to do. You know, it did what it set out to do. I look youthful and younger and bright over here. And over here, even though there's just a little layer under there, it still cleaned up my bag. Like, it cleaned it up a little bit, but enough, you know? And then down here, for my discoloration, it came out a little gray, but not as gray as most I've seen. So I feel like you can really look at the comparison here. I would say it did enough for my discoloration, but I feel like the Glossier, had I tried it there, would have done that too because it was full coverage. So this is really cute. It's really nice. For $27, I don't know if I would personally restock and refill on it. I'm gonna use this and the other one obviously because I have them now. But I don't know if I would personally set out to buy something that's almost $30. My final thoughts, I think it's a really good concealer. Really, really good. Really, really good concealer. It's a bit on the higher end of price range. Obviously, it's not like the $55 Laura Mercier or whatever, you know. It's not like that bad. It's not bougie, but it's not cheap either. I don't know. I couldn't imagine dropping 30 bucks every time I ran out of concealer. But it's a really nice one. I give it that, but so is the Glossier one, and it's $18. Worth the hype? Yes, absolutely. It does what it promises. Worth the price? That's debatable. I would say it's not worth the price. Especially when Glossier out here doing it for $18. And it feels the same, honestly. So thank you so much for watching. That's all from me. I think the concealer is nice, and if it's something you get, by all means, continue to get it. If you can afford to drop 30 bucks every time you need a concealer, by all means, go do it. But personally, I feel like the Glossier concealer would do the same exact thing as this one. That is really pretty though. And I didn't even put like powder or anything. That's really pretty. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see me do next. Any product that you guys want me to try out. Any product that you've seen a bunch of hype over and you don't know if it's like actually worth it or not. Drop a comment, let me know, and I will get to it. And yeah, that's all from me. Bye, Browns gang. Love y'all. Make sure you keep watching them videos, and if you missed episode 1 and episode 2, Glossier and Il Maquillage, make sure you check it out. Go ahead, check it out. Click another video, binge. Go ahead. Thank you.